Expect to see plenty of this over the next few days. The rain causing some debris flow in the area around Mulholland Highway. This video was shared on the Citizen app this morning. You can see the driver in that plow truck working to clear rocks and debris along Mulholland near Cornell. Wow,
and
that looks really bad.
It bears repeating. This is just the beginning of a wet spell here in Southern California. We certainly needed Dallas. It's great that it's here, but now we got to try to stay safe.
That's right. And you just be very careful driving out there. This is looking out the back door here in Southern California at Glendale. And you can see the river is up, of course. We're looking at rainfall totals, been anywhere between 1 and 2 inches. But the good news about this storm is the snow that is coming down. This is our Big Bear shot. We have a winter storm warning for you there. Now, the initial squall line, the big chunk of rain has moved through Southern California. We have a little small one here down in the OC. You can see some red areas showing up if you are viewing from Southern Orange County. That's Laguna Niguel all down to Dana Point. Just stand by for the next 30 minutes or so for some gusty winds and brief heavy rain. This is a flash flood warning. All this you see in the red, and that's going to stay all the way till 5 o'clock. And all of the pink area, that is a winter storm warning. So again, very dry during January, the first part of February, and now this weather system coming through. And it's really welcome, not only here in Southern California, but up in the Sierra too, where it's been snowing quite heavy. Also, one little cell down around Inglewood that is racing off to the northeast. It's very small, but if it comes right over you, you will know it. It'll produce some brief heavy rain. Haven't had any hail reported, and we have not seen any tornadoes. We've seen several cells that have been rotating, but so far no tornadoes, thank goodness. In Southern California. Snowing up on the Grapevine, that is going to happen over the next couple of days too, so keep that in mind. I love this big white area of snow coming down in the San Bernardino Range. So as I mentioned, this front is going through the area now through the San Bernardino Range down into Orange County, but we have 2 more weather systems that are on the way, and you will see those coming through in just a second on our modeling. So let's go outside and take a look at this. Is the Wrightwood camera. Now it's 27 degrees in Wrightwood, snowing quite heavily at about 8,000 feet, all the way down to 6,000 and 5,500 feet. And that's wonderful. Afternoon highs, it's cold out there. Santa Monica's only 56, 53 down in Fullerton. Everybody stayed today in the 50s. Air quality, though, as you can imagine, anytime you have instability, the air is being mixed up and lifted like these big storms do. Air quality is perfect across SoCal. So the center of that low now just south of San Francisco. But there's plenty of cold air coming down behind that, and then another storm that will come down, and that will arrive tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. But this front now is racing off to the east, and this is how the model looks. So let's take the front tonight and move it into the desert area. So for tomorrow, about 11 o'clock tonight, there will be a band of rain coming into Orange County overnight tonight. But during the early morning hours tomorrow, we'll see a little sunshine break through before the next weather system arrives tomorrow night at 11 o'clock. Look at it. There it is right there coming down into Ventura County. It'll have a band of rain, more snow, more cold weather. That'll move across the LA basin, and by Wednesday at 4 o'clock in the morning should be pushing through the IE. Look at this, a chance of sunshine coming through. This is the forecast for 9 o'clock in the morning or so Wednesday. But hang on, another storm system comes down from the northwest and arrives in Southern California for Thursday, and that will give us another chance of rain. Both of these 2 storm systems that are coming in next are not quite as strong as this one, but they will have some kick to them. It's cold outside tonight. Bundled up in Glendale. Down in Long Beach, rain showers possible in Huntington Beach. It's cold, 47 in Palm Springs. Highs tomorrow, only about 58 degrees for most of the valley areas. It's just not going to warm up as that cold air continues to come down out of the Gulf of Alaska. Here's our forecast then. 58 tomorrow, a 70% chance of rain. There's a 7 out of 10 chance that you will get rain in your area tomorrow, but notice the rainfall totals are not as strong, 1/2 to 3/4. And then on Wednesday morning, another chance of showers coming through, and showers again on Thursday. So we just kind of have them all through there. And then on Friday and Saturday, we'll go with partly sunny skies as the weather starts to clear for the weekend.